A number of people packed the State House today protesting a bill that would ban abortions once a heartbeat is detected in the fetus. News Channel 5's Kelsey Gibbs talked with those who call this bill dangerous and the lawmaker behind it.
So a lot of people have called it the heartbeat bill.
But others are calling it
It's dangerous, it's extreme, and it is unconstitutional.
Planned Parenthood and other abortion advocates packed inside the Capitol wearing makeshift hospital gowns with a message for lawmakers.
Racist, sexist, anti-gay, religious, fascist, go away!
They're protesting against Senate Bill 1236.
And what we're trying to do is just confirm that when there's a heartbeat, that this would confirm that there's life inside the womb.
The bill would make it illegal for women to get an abortion if a fetal heartbeat is detected.
We are highlighting the methods in which people terminated their pregnancies before Roe, the landmark decision that legalized abortion across the United States.
And while these protesters rally against the legislation, the sponsor of the bill says he is rallying for life.
But the ones I'm standing up for right now, they can't speak out. They do not have that voice. And those are the ones that I'm speaking out for. These are the ones that are still in the womb.
Senator Mark Pody says 2019 is the time for change.
And we're here to stand up and say now is the time that we should investigate how we can save these babies.
Pody says he knows his proposal will be challenged in court if it becomes law.
And we want to make sure the language that we have is going to be constitutional and it will stand up in court. And that's exactly what we're trying to do with this bill.
However, those who are against the measure say the bill has no place in Tennessee. Kelsey Gibbs, News Channel 5.